morning guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be taking you through my day. This is going to be like a realistic day in my life and I literally just woke up. The time right now is 9:30. I slept a little late last night. There's a lot that needs to be done today. I need to clean up my rooms as well. Kafi kuch is just here and there, it's not like organized. For breakfast today we have oats chilla. This is really tasty, and if you're trying to lose weight, this is something that's really good. Hi guys, okay, just took a shower. This is my outfit. Wearing this cardigan, a black top and black jeans, and I will talk more about my outfit in a bit. I'm also filming a haul video today, which is going to be a very exciting haul. So I'll talk about all of these garments in that video, so stay tuned for that. I love this like cardigan. I didn't like it until yesterday, and then I thought, okay, let me wash my hair and wear it, and now I have sort of grown to like it. I'm not trying to do too much with my makeup today, just trying to keep it really light. Remember when we did those science experiments back in school? We used to have like a hypothesis and then a conclusion. I'm bringing science class to real life today. I recently got my hands on the Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks, and the claim here is that they are transfer proof, smudge proof, and they last up to 16 hours. So today I'll be testing that out, and it's very difficult for a lipstick to actually last that long, so we'll be putting this to test. Now there are 16 different shades, which means there's an ideal pick for your skin tone. I've linked all of these down in the description box below, so if you like any of them, the link is right down below. For today I'm applying this one. This is in the shade 65 Seductress, and I absolutely love a nice nude lip color, so this is like my go-to. Instantly takes your look from here to here. Like even if you've not done any makeup at all, or even if it's really light and you just put this, you're sorted. All of them have a precision applicator that make the application so easy. It's so perfect. Dude, it's not even coming onto my fingers. Like I just put it, but it's done. It's not coming out. Alright, so there we go. We'll be doing quick check-ins throughout the day, and at the end of the day we'll be doing a check-in to see if the claims are actually true. I'm super excited to test it out, but right now I have to shoot a video. So I've been planning a video for the longest time, and I have the concept in my head. I just need to get to filming.
I watch you as you drive.
Alright guys, these are all the outfits I had to show. So all of this is done, and this was the second package. So this is also done. Room looks nice and clean. I also cleaned up the room in the morning, guys. I was like, I cannot stay in a dirty room. This is a nice little pillow that my friend gave me, I think on my 21st birthday. Absolutely love it. Alright guys, shoot is done. I'm gonna have lemon water because this is like a part of my diet. If you've not watched what I eat in a day, I will leave like an iCard right over here, so make sure you have a look at that video because I literally share my entire diet. And as you can see, there's literally no transfer onto the glass, like absolutely none. So check-in number 1 is like, I'm gonna put like a tick mark over here. We're all good. The lipstick is still intact. Alright guys, so we've got a bit of interior work going on at home. The contractor is here, a lot of other people, electrical stuff is going on right now, but it's not a bit of interior. Actually, I'm getting a whole new room with like a walk-in wardrobe and like a studio room. So I'm very excited for that. It's like a long work, so it's obviously not going to be done like super quickly, but it's just so exciting. And there's so much that, you know, like in my heart, I'm like really nervous about it, but I'm also super excited because I've wanted a studio room for the longest time. I wanted a walk-in closet for the longest time, and finally all of that is coming to life. So just the fact that it's happening is so kind of, it's exciting, but it's also like overwhelming certain times. But right now I'm gonna go have a look at what is happening today. We're right now doing the electrical stuff, but the layout and everything is finalized. Then we have to select the wallpaper, the flooring and all of that. So it's going to be fun, and I am vlogging all of that as well, so it's going to be uploaded in parts as and when things keep on happening. So stick around, stay tuned for that as well. But let's go and check what's happening right now. Okay guys, I'm thinking what to order for lunch because my diet chart today said dim sums or sushi. But let's see. I'm not sure. Should I eat dim sums? Should I eat sushi? Nanu has had an Indian lunch.
Paroti, methi with potato.
Hello.
Kanji.
What's up? क्या चल रहा है नानी? आपने आज क्या खाया? Turnip.
Sweet potato chaat.
Sweet potato chaat. मुझे क्यों नहीं खिलाई?
Oh, she wanted to give it to you, but she forgot about your name.
She forgot my name.
Yes.
नानी को बहुत पसंद है ना ऐसे बैठना. Under my umbrella. गाना सुने अपनी वाला. मैंने फ्राइड मोमोज मंगवा लिए. थोड़ी सी चीटिंग हो रही है यहाँ पे. स्टीम्ड खाने थे. Quick tissue test to see if the lipstick is in place. बहुत सारा जंक खा लिया है मैंने, but that's okay. शाम को we have to go out somewhere to meet a friend, and again I'll be having like Italian, so we're planning Italian dinner. A lot of junk, guys. I really need to, but ठीक है, once in a while it's fine. I feel like in life everything should be very balanced. So now that I've done this, tomorrow is going to be lighter. So once in a while थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे is fine. Shouldn't be so hard on yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to be editing a video. So whatever I've filmed today, I filmed the haul video that I'm going to edit, and a couple of other reels that have been pending for quite some time. A lot of stuff needs to be edited. Some other admin work needs to be done. A lot of like pending stuff is there, so I'm going to work on that right now. And I'm also having green tea. Junk food इतना सारा खा के जो मैंने green tea से compensate किया है ना आज, but that's fine. As I said, balance is what we all want in life. By the way, I have a new wallpaper. I'm very obsessed with like certain wallpapers. So I have like this new wallpaper. I'll show you guys. It says I'm doing great. ठंड में जब गरम गरम को जैसे मिल जाते तो कितना अच्छा लगता है ना. Absolutely no transfer onto the cup, so we're all good. Honestly, when I accepted to take the challenge, I was like, we'll see how this goes, and you know, if it doesn't last for 16 hours, then it doesn't. Like I'll be like very upfront about it. But honestly, look at that. I've had green tea, I've had lemonade, I've had my food, I've done a tissue test. So literally whatever I could do, I've done it, and it's still just intact. Like, look at that. Love it. So far so good. Also, recently I asked you guys if you want a podcast with Nanu and Nani, and I've been thinking of names. So if you have like a fun name, drop it down in the comments. I would love to, you know, start a podcast with them because they have so much to share and they really like, you know, engaging with you guys. And honestly, for this podcast series, I don't even care about like the numbers and everything, because I get a lot of comments from people saying that they've lost their grandparents, and when they see mine, they feel really connected. So if that's how you feel, then there's nothing that gives me more happiness than, you know, knowing this. We will do this and we will have a podcast with Nanu and Nani. So leave your comments down below. Let me know if you have any name suggestions. And I'm very, very excited. So once the studio is done, this is like the first thing I'm starting. Lately, I've also been trying not to overwork myself. वो हो नहीं रहा है very successfully, to be honest. I'm still like working morning to night, and then sometimes I edit early on in the morning, sometimes I film late at night. So it's a little haywire, but I'm trying to fix my schedule one day at a time. This is the jacket that I'm wearing. These are nice white plazos, and then this is the white top. This top is like really, really, really warm. So you don't need to wear like any other kind of thermal with this, even if it's cold. But that's my outfit, and then heels with that, like white heels.
Hello. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to Sana's channel.
Like, share.
Yeah, you know the drill.
Ishan is trying to find clothes. क्या बोल रहा है?
वही फ्री में शूट में.
Guys, I will show you my OOTD. OOTD. You think I wear extra large? Are you mad? Friend, I think you've gone mad.
Nice.
Hi guys, I am back home, and as you can see, the lipstick is still intact. Like, I am honestly amazed. I put it once in the morning, and ever since it's been like this. No reapplications at all. You guys can see like my makeup has kind of gone a little here and there, but the lipstick is just perfect. I've eaten, I've drank, I've rubbed my lips, but literally nothing happened to the lipstick. It's just as it is, and I am absolutely amazed. I've linked it right down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. That's about it. I'm now going to go change and then go off to sleep, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. And please don't forget to subscribe, because that always helps. I do make a lot of these fun vlogs, so it'll be nice to have you guys over here, and I will see you very soon. Till then, bye bye.